Let's get into a product that has made me a ton of money. This is a product here that is selling for anywhere between 130 and 150 bucks. This is a phenomenal product, and I'll show you why. Here's the stats for the product. It is selling for between 130 and 150. We can pick this up for 60 bucks. So I actually ended up making, I think, $30 profit on each of these. So it wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but I sold out pretty quickly. And this is just a screenshot of Seller Amp. This is just showing the profit analytics are, but this is a really valuable part that I want you guys to go home with. So these people are selling this product merchant fulfilled, and they've sold 230 units of this product in the last 30 days. They've sold 468 lifetime. For this seller right here, I know they're buy boxing most of the time because I look at the buy box statistics. This seller is dominating the buy box, and they're selling a lot, and they're selling it at a pretty healthy price.